Recently, I had the chance to visit Hyderabad, and one of the places I was really excited to explore was the IKEA store. In this video, I'm giving you a raw, unedited look at the store, just as I saw it, and you get a true sense of what it's like and what they have. Let's start with the ground floor. In the ground floor, it has the marketplace, where you will find a variety of items for your kitchen, living room and bathroom. Basically, everything you need to decorate or organize those spaces. In this video, I have included all the important details for you, including the showroom layout and store information, listed number by number. So if you are planning a visit, you will have everything you need right at your fingertips. Make sure to check out the description box below for the full list of details, so you don't miss anything. On the first floor, you will find fully set up spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and even workspaces. You can actually sit on the sofas, open up the wardrobes, and get a real feel for how everything would look in your own home. Make sure to note down the products you like, especially the product name and number. It will save your time later when you are picking things up.